In this video, I'll be showing you a simple fix on login error in Chime. First is to verify your credentials. Ensure that you're using the correct email address and password associated with your Chime account. Next is to check the internet connection. Stable internet connection is crucial for login authentication. Outdated app versions can cause bugs and login failures. So, update the Chime app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. You can also do clear cache and then reinstall the application. Lastly is if you have forgotten your password, just do this. Open the app and then go to Chime website. On the login screen, you can tap the Need Help and select I forgot my password. Enter your registered email address and last four digits of your social security number, then click the submit. Follow the instructions in the password recovery email to create a new password. And if that doesn't work, you can directly contact the Chime support using your application or using their official number. And that's how you can fix if your login has been failed or you have received a login error in Chime. And thank you for listening.